Good evening, everybody. So today is Friday after a very long, hot week in North Carolina, and it feels like South Carolina right now. But so tonight we're going to do a basic margarita. So we're just going to have lime, tequila, agave nectar, and some ice. This is the best way that I like them. There's no margarita mix. There's no extra sugar besides this, but there's no additives of any sort. So let's get started. So the best ratio that I've come up with is 1.5 ounces of tequila per lime. Now these limes are a little extra big, but we'll see how they do for juice. And so let's put in 3 ounces of tequila. Really, any good tequila will work. This is just some medium, mid-shelf brand, not too expensive, but it's not the real cheap stuff. So, put a couple squirts of agave nectar. Juice up some limes. You gotta be a little careful with these juicers. If you squeeze them a little too hard, they squirt the juice back out the side. And then get it in your eye. You might want to wear some safety glasses if you're an overzealous juicer. Or if you're just in a rush. Yeah, these are some juicy limes, so this might be a little excessive, but just means a little extra tart. Just get some ice in there. It's really important to shake it with ice, because that agave nectar is really thick and it's hard to break up. If you just try to stir it, it's going to take a long time for it to mix up. A lot of times I'll do half regular tequila and half of the coconut tequila. That one's really good. Just adds a slight coconut flavor to it. Shake it until it gets nice and cold. And it fills the margarita glass perfectly. So, cheers to a Friday after a long week. That's really good. Now, one trick, I don't usually do it, but if you're going to use a salsa rim, good kosher salt, but this is a tip I got from Good Eats, if you take the margarita glass and you rim it with the tequila that you're using, and then you dip the top of the glass after a few seconds. So let it air dry for a few seconds, then dip the top of the glass into a saucer of salt. Then it really sticks well. If you rim the glass with the tequila right away and then flip it and dip it, it won't stick as well because it has to, the alcohol has to evaporate a little bit, and it causes the rim to get a little stickier than it would be before the alcohol evaporates. So that's just one little tip. Simple margarita to make, goes really fast, and works great frozen too. So let's take another sip here. Fantastic. Well, I guess I should make another one for my wife, but I hope everybody likes this. If you like my drink of the week, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, maybe ring the bell so you can get the updates every week. I'm trying to do this usually at the end of the week every week, but it's kind of a crazy schedule, so it's maybe a day or two, be early or late. So, everyone, see you next time.